Ever wondered how to make a link smoothly jump to a section of another page on Elementor just like this? Yes. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make any link jump to a section of another page on Elementor. Alright, first thing we need to do is add an anchor ID to the section we want to jump to. So you click on the section you want to jump to, you want to link to rather. You go to the Advanced tab, look for CSS ID, then you type a unique name or tag. For this, I'm going to use manicure because it's about hands. And let's do the same for another section. Let's do the same for this feet section. We go to the Advanced tab, CSS ID, use pedicure for the unique tag. It updates this. Now let's create a clickable link that jumps to this section. I'll go back to my home page and click on this button. And I'm going to use as a link. In your case, if you're using on the text or menu, you just click on it. Then you go to the link field. I'm going to paste the URL of this page I'm linking to. I'm going to paste the URL here. Now at the end of the URL, I'm going to add the USSD tag that I used in this section, which is manicure. I'll add it with a hashtag. You don't need to add any spacing in this. Now, be very careful at this part because it's just a typography error can make this not to work. Maybe you're just using E instead of an R here, it make this not to work. We also do the same with this other part. We go to the click on the button, we paste the URL, and at the ending part we add the hashtag pedicure. Pedicure. And we save. Something else I want to mention is if you're going to use like a two-word tag, ensure you don't separate them with a space, rather you separate them with an hyphen. Let me make an example with this. For instance, I want to use a section. Okay, let me use it two-word tag, manicure and pedicure. So I don't separate them with a space, I use an hyphen, then pedicure. Let's publish that. And let's go back to the home page. We use this one, go to the bottom area, paste the URL, and use the hashtag, SSID rather, add manicure, pedicure. Okay, so you don't use a space, you rather use an hyphen. Let's save this, preview the work. Let's check if this is linking to the section we wanted to. Voila, yes. Let's try this. If you notice, whenever I click on the link, it opens a new tab for me. Now that is the way I set it here. I forgot to mention that. If you want that setting, you go to this wheel symbol. You see I tick the open in a new Windows box. So if you want that, you can also do that. If you don't want that, you just untick this box. So whenever I untick the box, when I click on the button, I still stay on the same tab. But I like it when it's in a new window, so I just tick the box. So let's try this. You can see, voila, it's working. That's how you make a link jump to a section in Elementor. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor tips. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be very happy and glad to help. See you in the next video.